Isma, this is the basics again. This is the basics part only. What I'm trying to tell you is that I'm trying to tell you the major difference between the respective nucleoid and nucleus. Why the prokaryotic cell, the DNA is called as nucleoid. Why the eukaryotic cell, the DNA is called as nucleus. Because the one major reason is that in the eukaryotic cell, nuclear membrane is present. Nuclear membrane is present. Nuclear membrane is present. वहाँ पर न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन रहता, यहाँ पर न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन नहीं रहता. There nuclear membrane is present, here nuclear membrane is absent. So that's why here in this case we call this thing as a nucleoid. We call this thing as a nucleoid, but not as a nucleus. Nucleus and phylum, we call it as a nucleoid. Very simple. If a person comes and asks you, nucleoid is present where? Nucleoid is present where? If it comes and asks you nucleoid is present where, means you can directly tell it is present inside the prokaryotic cell, or you can even tell that it is present inside the bacteria. It is present inside the bacteria. Where is the nucleus is present? Nucleus ekkadundani adugute, then you can directly say it is present inside the eukaryotic cell. It is present inside the. So one question that I want to ask is that our cells contains nucleoid or nucleus? What is present in our cells में? अपना cells के अंदर क्या रहता? What is present in our cells? The nucleoid or nucleus? What is present? Very good, my everyone. Everyone very good. My everyone very good. Everyone very good. Ma. Everyone very good. My everyone very good. So I hope you people understand why we are calling the bacterial cell या prokaryotic cell का why we are calling it as, because it is called as nucleoid. Why it is called as nucleoid? Because that nuclear, and see, many differences are there, ma. Many differences are there. I didn't say those major differences between the nucleoid and nucleus. We will discuss the many differences when we enter into the eukaryotic topic. Eukaryotic topic में, in the eukaryotic topic you will come across the nucleus. Nucleus बोल के topic आएगा. Then we will see the differences. वहाँ पर अपन देख लेंगे major differences क्या है. ఆ time కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత మేజర్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అని నేర్చుకుందాం అమ్మ. ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు చెప్తలేనంటే మీకు బేసిక్స్ లేవు. బేసిక్స్ నేను చెప్పకుండా నేను డైరెక్ట్ అటాక్ చేస్తా అంటే మీకు రాదు. I'm depending on the basics of your 10th class. బట్ మనమేమో 10th class ఫీల్ పాస్ అయినాం కదా. సో కొంచెం మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోండి. So what we are discussing, we started the topic called as nucleoid. What are the other names for the nucleoid? The other names for the nucleoid is a genophore or the chromosome. What is a nucleoid means? Nucleoid means there is a DNA. Nucleoid means the DNA. Just write down the third point. Just write down the third point. If you're writing the notes, write down the third point. Write down the third. Write down the third point. Nucleoid is because of the absence of a nuclear membrane, because of the absence of nuclear membrane and not having association with the histone molecules. Histone molecules. So what is the first point is that first point is a nucleoid, the alternative names. So the alternative names. First point is that the alternative names. Alternative ante pet names, vera names. Alternative names is what and what is a genophore, is a prochromosome, is a genophore and the prochromosome. Second point, nucleoid is nothing but the DNA molecules. Nucleoid is nothing but the DNA molecules. Third point is that nucleoid is naked. Nucleoid is naked because the absence of nuclear membrane. Because the absence of nuclear membrane. No, circle right there. This is a both the cases. If this triangle is surrounded by this membrane, then it is called as nucleus. And this is a case of eukaryotic cell. This is a case of eukaryotic cell. But in this case, this is not surrounded by, this is a A, this is a B. B case, it is surrounded by BDNA surrounded by nuclear membrane. A case, it is not surrounded by any nuclear membrane. So it is called as what? It is called as nucleoid. It is called as nucleoid. It is called as nucleoid, and it is a property of cell. It is a property of prokaryotic cell. So very simple. Third point, Randy, nucleoid is naked because of the absence of nuclear membrane or not having association with histone molecules, not having any association with the histone molecules, not having any association with the histone molecules. No? Okay, ma, that I actually forget. Histone molecules, right now I will not say ma. Histone molecules as of now, I will not even try to touch what are histone molecules. మీ 10th class లో వచ్చిందో లేదో నాకైతే తెలియదు. I'm not going to touch the histone molecules now. I'm going to explain the histone molecules when we enter into the eukaryotic cell topic. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్తే దొబ్బుతుంది మొత్తం ఉన్న క్లాస్ మొత్తం దొబ్బి డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి వెళ్ళిపోతారు ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి పబ్జి ఆడుకుంటారు మీరు సో ఐ విల్ నాట్ ఈవెన్ ట్రై టు టెల్ what are histone molecules. What are histone molecules? I will not even touch now. Just understand they are not in association. This point is important. This point is important means opposite means देख लिए opposite లో చూడండి nucleus లో చూడండి nucleus లో చూస్తే nucleus is having a nuclear membrane and at the same time what can be second point we can write down in the this is the first pointer and this is the second point what we can write down in the nucleus law means they are having association no need of writing they are having association with histone molecules. Right now I will not tell what are histone molecules because they are complicated topic. I will not even touch also. ఇక్కడ ఆబ్సెంట్ ఉన్నాయంటే న్యూక్లియస్ లో ప్రజెంట్ ఉన్నట్టే కదమ్మా వాట్ ఎవర్ ద థింగ్స్ హియర్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎంటైర్లీ ఆపోజిట్ ఇన్ ద న్యూక్లియస్ that you have to keep it in mind. If they are not having an association in the with the histone molecules means when you go and see your nucleus they will be definitely having the association. Third point, nucleoid is naked because naked means naked is because of the absence of the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane nahi hai to naked ho gaya ho. And at the same time naked means again one more point is that because they are not having association with the histone molecules. This point will be clarified when you enter into your eukaryotic cell లోపలికి ఎంటర్ అయిన తర్వాత ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ కూడా తీయించుకోండి ఎందుకన్నా మంచిది మళ్ళీ దొబ్బుతుంది ముందే కరోనా పాస్వర్డ్స్ మీరు అందరూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ ఫ్రీ పాస్వర్డ్స్ సో జస్ట్ ట్రై టు డ్రా ద డయాగ్రామ్ దిమాగ్ ఉంటుంది ఉండదు తెలియదు సో జస్ట్ డ్రా దిస్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఆల్సో the triangle and triangle. The triangle and triangle. What is a triangle? Triangle here I have drawn. Triangle means here in this case DNA. In this case it is the DNA. In the B side, it is the A side. In the B side, the triangle is surrounded by what? The triangle is surrounded by nuclear membrane. The triangle is surrounded by nuclear membrane. But in the A side, the triangle is not surrounded by any nuclear membrane. Just draw this diagram. So these 3 points are enough. These 3 points are enough. These 3 points are enough. Over the mind, it will be going from one year to the other year. So I'm not going to tell many more points. My textbook I've given information more points than compared to your textbook. So first point is they are called as xenophora prochromosome. They are called as DNA molecules. And this DNA or see this is the thing you have to understand. DNA in the prokaryotic cell can also be called as what? Can also be called as nucleoid. And nucleoid in prokaryotic cell can also be called as DNA. That you have to keep it in mind. I mean, if a person comes and asks you what is the DNA of prokaryotic cell means you have to tell nucleoid. If a person comes and asks you what is the nucleoid of a prokaryotic cell means you have to say it is a DNA. I mean they are interchangeable. You can use any name. Interchangeable. You can use any name. Just understand nucleoid in this case means nuclear membrane is absent. Nuclear membrane is absent and histone molecules store గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి I don't want to confuse you more, ma. Then just remember these 3 points. These 3 points remembering means that would be enough. That's it, ma. We completed the respective nucleus also. Point. We completed the respective nucleoid also. Say the nucleus. We respectively completed the nuclear topic also. So what are the leftovers? The leftovers are the plasmids and the lipid granules. The leftovers are the plasmids and the lipid granules. What is the time now? Okay, time అయిపోయిందమ్మా. Time is mostly over. So plasmids and lipid granules, these two topics I will try to explain on Monday. I will try to explain on Monday. You may ask me, sir, what is tomorrow? తెలుసు కదా మరి రేపు ఏముందో tomorrow tells you ఏముందో tomorrow like 10 to 20 minutes small exam will be there. 10 questions I will try to ask 10 questions టెస్ట్ కొంచెం బేసిక్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి చదువుకొని రావడానికి ట్రై అయినా అమ్మ కొంచెం బేసిక్స్ పైన పైన ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతా విల్ బి నాట్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఇన్ ఎ వెరీ డీప్ మేనర్ అంటే మీరు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ తీయాలా చదవాలా అవి మొత్తం డీప్ చేయాలా సో పైన పైన టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉంటే లేకపోతే ఎన్సీఆర్టీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉంటే తీసి పైన పైన చదవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి సో టుమారో విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ ద టెస్ట్ वेरी गुड माँ अस्वाजैन वेरी गुड माँ बट अभी के लिए जरूरत नहीं है माँ दैट आई विल ट्राई टू टेल यू आई मीन यू एंड मी नो अस्वा आपको और मेरे को मालूम है पर बाकी के लोगों को दे विल नॉट नो ना माँ सो we'll discuss when we enter into the eukaryotic topics. We'll discuss about the histone molecules in the. So tomorrow you'll be having the exam, ma. Tomorrow we will be having the exam. तो पढ़ के आ जाओ अब तो where means up to nucleoid ma. Up to nucleoid you have to read and come up to nucleoid. Plasmids और lipids को छोड़ के अब तक जो भी discuss करे ना there those things you have to study and Thursday tomorrow is what again? What is tomorrow ma? What are the things you have to do? Tomorrow you have to submit your. Tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday, man. Now don't tell me, sir, I didn't complete notes. Tomorrow is Saturday. You have to provide me notes. You have to provide me notes. So, me ko time out to up to Saturday, gala. Saturday 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. Evening 7 p.m. Daka you can submit, ma. Evening 7 p.m. Tomorrow Saturday evening 7 p.m. Daka you people can submit, ma. Tomorrow up to 7 p.m. you people can submit your respective notes. Images nikalo, images nikal ke भेजो. And one more thing, what I will do is, whatever this all these slides are there, what we have discussed अब तो के जो भी पूरे slides है ना, इनका मैं एक स्लाइड पीडीएफ या कौन सा भी एक निकाल दूंगा निकाल के उसमें अपना उसमें डाल दूंगा पोस्ट आई ट्राई टू पोस्ट इन ग्रुप आई ट्राई टू పోస్ట్ जो भी पूरे है ना अब लोग अगर आपका ఫ్రెండ్స్ के पास మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ దగ్గర నోట్స్ ఉంటే అంటే తీసుకోండి లేదు అంటే ఇవి స్లైడ్స్ అవన్నీ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో నేను తీసి పోస్ట్ చేస్తా ఇందులోకి వెళ్ళి మీకు ఏమైనా యూజ్ అయ్యేది చెత్త చెదర మొత్తం తీసేయండి యూజ్ అయ్యేది ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో అది తీసుకొని రాయడానికి ట్రై అయినాము ఐ విల్ ట్రై టు పోస్ట్ బై 12 o'clock టుడే whatever the important topics are there from this try to copy that thing diagrams etc all this try to do all this try to do and again as usual simple if you are giving you like 2 minutes time right now if you are having any doubts you can ask me we completed what and what today we completed the nucleoid nucleoid is complete करा इसको कुछ भी दूसरा कुछ भी complete करे okay we only discuss the nucleoid because it is a lengthy topic I have to say very deeply now so nucleoid के बारे में बोल दिया we only discussed about the nucleoid I'm giving you like 2 minutes time if you are having any doubts regarding the nucleoid or discuss the topic you can ask me now or else there's a protocol you can WhatsApp group में clear रहते raise your hand just if your everything is clear just raise your hands अगर कुछ से भी doubts up to this even after this class is over now you will just revise now revise చేయడానికి try because of the tomorrow's exam you will try to revise now so just then also if you are getting it me WhatsApp group లో direct వెళ్ళి సో లేదు సార్ ఈ లొల్లి లొల్లి అవుతుంది అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ మై నంబర్ మా దిస్ ఇస్ మై నంబర్ एट सिक्स एट 06062 दिस इज माई नंबर మా యూ కెన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ అगर డౌట్స్ పూछे तो मेरे को शर्म आ रहा है తెలుసు క్లాసులు నిలబడి అందరి ముందట చెప్పాలంటే మనకి ఇజ్జత్ అవుతుంది సిగ్గు అవుతుంది बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है तो पर्सनली people are ready to ask ना so if that chance is there you can ask me personally but 888 my name is again Rohita so you can ask me any your doubts if you are having any doubts if you want anything regarding your botany you can message me here See, point is that I will not reply ma. Then reply would even if you're अगर आपको doubts रहा तो मैं वहाँ पर explain भी नहीं करूँगा. I will see the doubt and I will try to explain the doubt in the next demo. I will see the doubt and I will try to explain your respective doubts. जो भी आपको doubts आते हैं ना और doubts जो भी है ना मैं next day. You can send the pics in your group ma. You can do that thing also. Your Rakesh will also see that. You can do whatever you want. Either you can send the जो भी है ना जो भी वो pictures है ना whatever the pictures are there, pictures of your notes are there, try to send that to your WhatsApp group only. Try to send that to your WhatsApp group. When you are sending the pictures na, just try to attach your name also. Name भी लिख दो. So this is my name and రాసి WhatsApp group లో attach group లో post చేయడం pictures అయితే notebooks pictures అయితే మీ నేమ్ రాసి చేయండి. Either or else you can, if you're having any doubts, మీకు ధైర్యం ఉంటే మీ పేరు రాసి గ్రూప్ లోనే పోస్ట్ చేయండి. నా దాకా రావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. లేదు సార్ మాకు ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ ఎక్సెట్రా మీన్స్ యూ కెన్ మెసేజ్ టు మై నంబర్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ మై డౌట్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఎక్సెట్రా. Then I will not reply to your doubt there only. I will not even do anything. When the next day, when we are discussing the class now, I will try to clarify your doubt on the next day. This is the thing you can do. Pictures they definitely post in the WhatsApp group only. What are the images are there, etc. Attach your name also. If you're having doubts, you can post in the WhatsApp group or personally you can message me also. Okay. Today, all the best for the tomorrow's exam. Simple exam only. All the best for tomorrow. And I can see simple అంటున్నా. Simple means this is your first test కాబట్టి simple ma. This is your first test కాబట్టి simple. As we proceed, we will be getting the tougher and tougher exams now because your NEET and MCET exams are not going to conduct in a simple way. Simple way la doctors karama vattiga. So simple way. For tomorrow is the starting కాబట్టి I'm just asking you simple questions. And of the day as we proceed, the questions will get tougher and tougher. Okay ma, that's it for today. That's it for today, everyone. Have a nice day, everyone. That's it for today. Have a nice day, everyone.